I'm Sienna Bose. Welcome to my channel, Learning Builds Life, and today we're going to talk about an Olympiad standard sum on linear equation on the topic of algebra. I'm going to read the question before we can begin. The numerator of a fraction is 4 less than the denominator. If one is added to both its numerator and denominator, it becomes half. Find the fraction. Okay, let's do the sum using literals. It's given here, the numerator of a fraction is 4 less than the denominator. We need to consider some literal for the numerator. Let's consider the numerator as x. Accordingly, we need to decide what may be the denominator, but we won't use different literals. We will work with x only, but we have to express the denominator in terms of x. Here it is given, the numerator of a fraction is 4 less than the denominator. That means the denominator is 4 more than the numerator. That means, therefore, the denominator is equal to x plus 4. That means the numerator is x, so the denominator is x plus 4. Now let's find the original fraction. How would we express it in terms of x? We would express the fraction as x by x plus 4. This is our original fraction, which we need to find. Now, if 1 is added to both its numerator and denominator, it becomes half. Let's add 1 both to numerator and denominator. Then we get x plus 1 by x plus 4 plus 1, or x plus 1 by x plus 5. And by data, it is half. So we can equate this. Therefore, x plus 1 by x plus 5 equal to half. Now we can use cross multiplication. Or 2 times x plus 1 equal to x plus 5, because it's just multiplied by 1, or 2x plus 2 equal to x plus 5, or 2x minus x, a transposition, 5 equal to 5 minus 2, or x equal to 3. Now that we got the value of x, we can substitute it in this original fraction that we got in terms of x to get the original fraction. Then we had x by x plus 4 equal to 3 by 3 plus 4 equal to 3 by 7. And this is our final answer. So I'm giving you a few moments to look at the board so that you can sharpen your concept. Hope you enjoyed solving this problem with me, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more episodes. In our next episode, we will solve the same sum, but we will use a different method. Thank you.